following the bomb blast in the Indian capital. Home Minister Shah has provided details about the blast, such as the make and model of the car which initially exploded, being a Hyundai i20, as well as the time of the blast, which was 7:20 p.m. local time. The Home Minister also stated that he will be visiting the site of the blast shortly, and we can expect more updates on this front any minute. We have Brian Anthony Thomas joining us live from the site of the blast. Brian, I hope you can hear me loud and clear.
Yes, I can. Yes, clearly. Very unfortunate incident coming from the national capital. Clearly, when I'm showing you, we are outside the LNGT hospital itself, and here just a while back, Amit Shah left the venue, and clearly he took a cognizance of the situation. He met with Delhi Police Commissioner Satish Gokhale itself. And clearly, they have been saying the fact that the situation remains very worried. We even met with the victims who have been critically injured and very distressing incident. This entire place have been completely cordoned off when the Home Minister was inside, and now heavy police barricading has also been done. Here also you can see the barricading have been done, and here we are outside Loknath LNJP Hospital gate number 5, and very distressing incident again coming from the national capital. But now even the Home Minister has confirmed that 8 people unfortunately lost their lives, and there are several others who have been injured. And even the Home Minister met with the injured victims and had a meeting with the Delhi Police Commissioner. And now it is very important to see what happened, because at the crime site where this incident happened, the FSL team, bomb squad, dog squad, everyone in the Delhi police, they all reached the space, and even now at this place, the situation looks extremely chaotic itself, what we are showing you.
Yes, right, Brian. Thank you so much for joining. We are also receiving breaking news at this point about the death toll that sources at the Lok Nayak Hospital in Delhi, where the injured have been taken, and have told us that 12 people have been declared dead so far. Israel has returned the bodies of 15 Palestinians to Gaza, a day after militants returned the remains of a hostage to Israel under the terms of the ceasefire agreement in the two-year war. The exchange marked another step forward for the tenuous US brokered truce, and as part of the deal, Israel has returned the remains of 15 Palestinians for each Israeli hostage. The return came shortly after Israel confirmed the remains given back on Friday night were of an Israeli man who died while fighting Hamas in the terrorist organization on October 7, 2023 attack that started the war. Since the ceasefire took effect on October 10, Palestinian terrorists, Hamas terrorists have released the remains of 23 hostages, including Gaddafi's body, with 5 still remaining in Gaza. Let's in fact listen into what one of the Gazan health official had to say.
قد وصل إلينا عن طريق اللجنة الدولية للصليب الأحمر من 15 جثمانا من جثامين الشهداء المحتجزة لدى الجانب الإسرائيلي، ليرتفع عدد إجمالي الشهداء إلى 315 جثمانا.